गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ऐश्वर्या ठक्कर। आप अगर यहाँ पे नए हो तो सबसे पहले तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब और नोटिफिकेशन का बटन दबा दो ताकि जब भी मेरी वीडियो आए सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन आपको आए। एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल गाइस बिकॉज इट्स फ्री फ्री फ्री। सो या अगर मेरे पीछे आप ये जंगल देख रहे हो तो नो, मैं कोई भी जंगल में नहीं गई हूँ। ये मेरे घर के पीछे का बैकयार्ड है which apparently looks like jungle, but I had to come here and shoot because my shirt kind of asked for this background today. So yeah, here we are, I'm shooting. So yeah, before wasting any time, let's just get into this video. So guys, a quick question answer session before we get into this video. One of you asked how do I edit my videos and what do I do to remove the watermarks. So basically the app which I use doesn't have watermark, thankfully. This app is called Video Guru or Video Maker, something like that. But yeah, it's really good app, and to edit my videos I just lay down all my like clips at once, then I just add transition, and at last I just add music and stickers and everything to it. And she also asked specifically for how do I add that subscribe kind of sticker here. So in that app only you can go into the sticker and search for subscribe. You'll get so many like stickers for subscribe. So yeah, I hope I've answered your question. And if you guys have any questions or anything about me, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all of them in my next video. You know by the title, today's video is going to be about my weekly spreads of January 2021, and I am so happy, excited and nervous to say this that 2021 is coming and 2020 is finally over. So yeah, I guess I'm just so much happy with its ending. I don't know, I always love New Year's, so yeah, that was it. और चलिए फिर देखते हैं how my weekly spreads are going to be turned out. So for the very first spread, I just wrote out Jan in big bold letters, and also wrote down the calendar. Also I highlighted the week which I'm going to be showing in these two pages with yellow marker. Then I just write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and just made my usual theme of this month, which is colors and layers like that. So I just laid out that. After that I decided to do color in the layers because that is what my theme like is, and that is what I wanted it to look like, and it turned out pretty good. Then to fill up the Jan, I just filled it up with a whole black marker kind of a thing, and to give it a silver lining I just used my usual silver pen. So for the next spread, I just wrote down Jan in vertical manner this time into big blocks only, and then I wrote out the calendar and highlighted the week which I'm going to show. Then I did my usual linings and strips kind of thing, and then I just made 7 columns for the 7 weeks of the days. Then I colored my strips the usual 3 colors which I'm using this month, and they just look so good together. I just had to do it. And also to add a backdrop of to all the 7 days which I have laid out, I just made little linings of same 3 colors there. I also wrote out Jan in all the 3 colors so that it looks good. So for the next spread, I just wrote out January in cursive and laid out my usual calendar and highlighted the week as usual. And also to give January a look like I have made it with the brush pens, I just gave it a backdrop, and then I just like darted a simple kind of a thing which writes like note to self, in which I have written you have more courage than you think, and it actually helps me a lot. Then I just wrote out blossom with colors and give it a bit of colors in that. And then for the days I actually had 8 sections, so I wrote one for notes. Then for the next week, that is the last week, so I have decided to do 8 days in this, because 31st is the only day out odd, so I decided to do it here only. So first I wrote out Jen in bold letters and gave it a backdrop of the stripes which I have. Then I divided the page in first page into 5 different sections, and then next page into 3 sections one side and notes on the other side. Then I just wrote out Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and all the days and dates of it. Then I decided to draw a simple like kind of a flowery kind of thing, which actually looks good, and I just like tried to show like it is pasted with a sellotape there. Then I gave my usual backdrop in January, and also I like gave a backdrop shadow to Jen. So guys, this is literally how the whole month of January in my journal looks like, and it's so colorful and it's so beautiful. I'm just so much happy with the way it looks, and all the spreads which I've done, all the weekly spreads, I am just in love with them so much. So guys, that's it for the video. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell, and also share to your friends, your journal friends, or show my channel to them, because I make videos on almost everything I guess, like जो मुझे मेरे मन में आता है, जो मुझे अच्छा सा नया सा लगता है, उस पर मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section below कि आप कौन से टाइप के वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं.